say nothing. Just hold it for a minute.
You got a bite on both of them, Sam?
No.
Let him go tire himself out. Let him tire himself out. He's just too big to kick. Try to bring him in. Take your time.
You net up, you got the thing up there to catch it.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Oh.
Let it wear itself out. Let it wear itself out. Let it wear itself out. Okay, wait a minute. Let it wear itself out. Don't you take your hand off the wheel.
Sam, you can get him there now if you reach over there and get him.
Wait, let it wear itself out. Oh. Bring it up to me. Right here, right here. Here in the net. Here in the net. Here in the net. Here in the net. Fish on. Fish on. He's a keeper.